Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're going to do some baked salmon, alright? I'm telling you, this baked salmon is going to be packed with flavor. So let's go ahead and jump into this here video like right now. So I got me a skin on salmon fillet. This is about 2 pounds. Get you a 2 pound skin on salmon fillet. Yes, skin on. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead first and foremost, get us a little microwavable bowl. Then I got some unsalted butter. I want to take at least around about 3 tablespoons of this here butter, and I want to melt it in the microwave, okay? But before I melt this in the microwave, what I want to do too, I want to add flavor to this butter. So I got 3 cloves of garlic. So I'm taking my garlic press, and I want to go ahead and press this garlic into this here bowl so we can microwave this butter and garlic mixture together, okay? And this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna spread this over our salmon fillet. This is gonna give us some more flavor. Trust and believe me when I say that this salmon is gonna be so packed with flavor. You're gonna love it when at the end of this here process. So now I got me a sheet pan covered with some aluminum foil. Then we're gonna take our salmon fillet with the skin on. It'll be skin down. All right, meat side up. Now we're gonna take that butter and garlic mixture after it is melted in the microwave, and we want to go ahead and just baste some of this here butter and garlic mixture on our salmon. All right, don't you guys go nowhere, man. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this recipe. Now what we're gonna do is add some of the usual. I love this Smoke and Fire Society seasoning, all right? I get this at Walmart. They don't pay me for this, y'all. I'm telling you. This replaces that kosher salt. Get you some usual, put it on some of your meats. I guarantee you're gonna love it. The next season I'm gonna put on is some coarse black pepper, and this is gonna give us that peppery taste, y'all. And I'm telling you, man, with these here seasonings combined, it's nothing else like it. So I'm gonna also toss in some of this here paprika. This is gonna add color as well as some of that smokiness to this here salmon. You're gonna love it, I'm telling you. And you guys really got to try this here recipe. How do you prepare your salmon? Comment in the comment section below. Now I'm gonna also toss on some of this here onion powder. And we're gonna toss on some garlic powder. And with this here, this brown sugar is gonna give us exactly what we need. It's gonna balance out these seasoning flavors, I'm telling you. And it's not gonna be sweet, but it's gonna give you that sweet and savory taste to this here fish, and you will definitely love how all of this really comes together. Now I want to add some of this Italian herb seasoning to this here fish. Now this was a mistake that I tried to do. At first I was going to try to brush it on, but don't do that because you're going to move your seasonings. Just go ahead. And then I decided to just sprinkle it on. Now once I do it like this, I'm going to take my hands and basically just start pressing into the meat because I want the seasonings to adhere to this here fillet. So as you can see, I'm pressing into the meat because I want to have good flavor on this here meat, and by that seasoning basically sticking to this here filet, it's going to be all outstanding, y'all. Phenomenal. So try this recipe. I guarantee you, you're going to love it. Not just you, your family as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to toss this baby in the oven. And as you can see how good this already looks with the meat, the seasonings, the butter, the garlic. We ready for the oven, y'all. I'm telling you, we ready for the oven. So we got our oven set at 375 degrees. I'm going to toss it in the oven at 375 degrees. We're going to go ahead and set our timer. Our timer is going to be set at it's going to be set at 15 minutes, all right? So once our salmon is done and already cooked for 15 minutes at 375 degrees, this is how it looks, y'all. And it looks so good. I'm telling you it does. So I'm taking a meat thermometer. I just want to check the temperature of the meat. Now, if you decide to take yours out at 125 degrees, you could do it. It'll be all right. But I like having mine right about at the 335 degree mark to 340 degree mark, which is perfect for me because I like my meat flaky. And this is definitely something that you should try. This is definitely something you should cook on a Sunday dinner and serve this at your table. Now, if you want to try this on a smoker or a grill, try it. It'll work perfect. So I'm pairing this up with some mashed potatoes, and I'm also adding in some nice vegetables to this. You understand? So I'm taking some of this Italian herb vinaigrette, and I just want to put it on some of these here veggies because it goes well with it. Now, as you guys can see how flaky this meat is, please give this recipe a try. I guarantee you, you're going to love it. I know you will. So what I want you guys to do, please, if you can do anything for me, comment below. Let me know what you think about this here video. If you have a salmon recipe that you would like me to try, please comment below. Give me what your ingredients. I would love to try your recipe on this here channel. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this here video. Please watch this video and also subscribe. Leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. And I always say this at the end of every video. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace. Love you all.